Hi, it's me, Justine. Welcome back to Open-Minded Singing channel in 2022 and to the world where I have 10,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for that, and I hope this community continues to grow. And this year I will try to add more content, more songs, and just to be more present here on YouTube and my social media. If you are here for the first time, this is the perfect place for anyone who loves to sing and wants to sing in harmony. Let me show you what you will learn today.
Dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song when I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
In a second, as always, I will explain how it works, but first I have an announcement. To celebrate 10,000 subscribers, I want to prepare a Q&A video, and in order to do so, I need as many questions as possible from you. Ask whatever you want. It can be about my favorite book or color or my favorite artists, songs, albums, my celebrity crush, where I'm from, or anything singing technique related. So feel free to leave your questions in the comment section or DM me on my Instagram. I'm counting on you. And now let's get back to the lesson. I will show you how to sing each voice in your favorite songs, and you can practice it first with me, then on your own, and finally sing it with other vocal parts. In the description and in the first comment below the video, you will find a table of contents, and you can easily navigate between the parts. You can choose to learn just one voice or all of them. You can repeat one section as many times as you want to and go to the next one whenever you're ready. And you can always come back to this video at any time and start practicing right away. On the screen, you will see the lyrics, sheet music. Big black notes are yours and small blue ones represent all the other voices. In the top left corner, you will find the name of the section so you don't get lost. If you want to know what I'm working on, please follow me on Instagram as Justine Sounds and Open-Minded Singing. All the links to previous episodes from this series with different songs can be found in the description. In my 2021 recap on YouTube Music, my #1 artist is Ed Sheeran. And that's why I said to myself that I had to start a new year with his song. So here it is, perfect, in a duet version with Beyonce. The fragment I prepared for you starts with the chorus just right before the bridge. I will show you 2 vocal parts and 4 additional backing vocals. It sounds like a lot, but it's actually not, so don't worry too much. Let's start with Ed's lead vocal. I will show you how it goes. You can sing with me as many times as you want, then try it on your own, and when you will be ready, in harmony.
listening to a favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to a favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to a favorite song. Looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. Faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. You
The second vocal part is a bit more difficult, but that should not be surprising since it's Beyoncé. So we have some nice runs there, but most importantly, the harmony we create with this part is just stunning. So sing with me first. Once you have it memorized, try it on your own and as a final step in harmony.
Dancing in the dark between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on grass. We're listening to our favorite song. Now I know I have met an angel in person. You look perfect tonight. Listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. No, no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Those were the two main vocal parts, but I'm sure you noticed that there is one moment where everything builds up nicely with I have faith in what I see. And in that one line, we have 4 additional backing vocals. So let me sing each of them separately and then I'll put them back together a cappella.
Faith in what I see, now I know I have met. Faith in what I see. Faith in what I see. Faith in what I see. We're listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Thank you for singing with me. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out more harmony games in the description below the video or go to my website openmindedsinging.com. If you like my voice and you want to listen to the full version of this song, for example, just click on the link here or in the description. I will also prepare a duet with me video with this song. I have already done something similar with Lovely by Billie Eilish and Khalid. I hope you will like it. Thank you once again and see you soon.